everyone, welcome to my channel CreArtive by Nature. My name is Donna. Today I am taking part in the Using Trash to Create Treasure. So this is a challenge hosted by Julia over at the DIY Mug Life and Casey from Coffee with My Sunshine. I will have both their channels linked down below in my description box as well as the playlist. Okay, so the item I am going to be using is actually this ceramic boot container. I stored my paintbrushes in here and I was cleaning up and I dropped it and I broke it and I was so disappointed. I love this little piece. It was given to me as a gift for when my son was born and I just thought they were so adorable. And I was going to try and repair it, and then I had an idea of what I could do with this for this challenge. So I am going to play some music for you all as you can watch me transform this piece.